Okay, guys, it's Sadie, and this is the microwave that I was taking apart, and it looks like I took off, these things, and then it has a bunch of these little switches for the doors, but, so the power comes in here, and then it has this, it looks like some kind of, thermal thing. So then it goes here. I just want to hook up this high voltage thing. So I was going to try to have this and still do try to turn it on and let the computer work and control the high voltage thing. But at this point, I think it's better to just hook this up. So I'm guessing, it's just getting down to these wires here. So that plugs in. These are the grounds. And then this one, these are the two wires that come out of the filter thing. So it plugs in, filter thing, and then this is probably for the door. But this is such an interesting microwave transformer. Usually this looks more like out of a TV. So it's interesting how they can get 1100 watts, 1200 watts out of that, I guess. I mean, usually it has the big blocks, so this might be more efficient. I don't know. There's two diodes there. Two capacitors, that's probably a resistor. And then, so I do want to fire it up. So the high voltage would come out of here. And then I'm just thinking, well, it wouldn't really matter. Well, this goes there, and then that goes to this one. So I just could trim some of these off of here, which is what I'll do. Where's my things? So this goes there. So I could just trim that off. That goes there. Trim that one. And then we have the power supply. And then this one, I don't know what that little one does. I'll just cut that little one. It's probably just like a controller thing. Okay, so then I'll take that one and then take that one. So now we're definitely down to, I want to keep the fuse and the filter, the choke, the inductor and the capacitors and that, but there's no switch. You plug it in. This is so dangerous. Mr. Carlson would not approve of this. So I'm thinking I could just put these like that and then use like a bar outlet. So I'm going to hook up. I'll make another video. Okay, so because I have to stop this one. Okay, so this goes, I may as well just leave this little thing on there. It's like some kind of, I think that's in case it gets too hot or whatever. Okay, so the white one probably goes like that to that. And then this one will go to that one. and then I'll trim this off and get a bar outlet and fire it up and see if I can get a spark across there. It's very dangerous, but Mr. Carlson, I will be far away from this. So thanks for watching, but we'll do the second part of it, okay?